Kung nagsimula ka na mag-DJ at naghahanap ka ng speakers that you can use while you're DJing, meron akong mga suggestion para sa'yo. Una, hindi mo naman kailangan bumili ng sobrang laking loudspeaker like these PA speakers that you see pag pupunta ka sa mga club, bar, or sa mga events. Hindi kailangan ganyan kalaki. You can start out small. Now, you can get something from Edifier, sabihin natin, or kahit yung mga dating mga computer multimedia speakers, pwede rin yan. Basta yung importante is, meron siyang wired connection, hindi lang Bluetooth. And what's the reason for this? Yung Bluetooth kasi, di ba, wireless yan. Okay siya, walang cable, pero meron siyang konting latency or lag. And that's because of just the wireless nature of that kind of connection protocol, di ba? Kaya pagdating sa pagdi-DJ, if you don't want to spend a lot of money, ay mo gumastos for like the latest technology na wireless, suggestion ko talaga is to just buy a wired speaker. Again, it doesn't have to be the really big ones. You can buy something, again, yung parang sa mga Edifier or similar brands na hindi naman talaga magiging sobrang mabigat sa bulsa. These kinds of speakers are perfectly fine for practicing at home or kahit na pag nandiyan yung mga kaibigan mo, may tambay kayo or something, you can play music using those speakers. Again, wag kang gumastos ng sobrang laki for speakers when it comes to DJing. Just start out small and then later on, if you feel the need to buy something bigger, more powerful, with more connectivity, doon ka gumastos. You can always sell whatever you have and then trade up to something that's a little bit more capable and a little bit more powerful. Okay? Wag gumastos, wag mag-ubos ng pera pagdating sa mga ganitong bagay. Let's be wise with the way that we spend our money in our hobbies. All right?